Okay, you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Okay, let's go.
I'll be honest with you, I'm not ready. I'm just saying that for the camera. I'm just being real.
Please don't hurt yourself.
This might be real bad.
This is Joe's idea, and full disclosure, I have ordered a helmet and suggested that Joe do the same.
I own a helmet and forgot it today because I took my scooter and think I was gonna ride a skateboard.
My helmet should be in the mail tomorrow. I was supposed to be here at 2. It's 2:07. It's 2:12. 2:12. 2:17. 2:22. I thought we were supposed to meet at 2.
I text you. You didn't get my text? I messaged you. You didn't get it?
Do you know how to ride these?
Not one bit.
We're teaching Joe how to use the boosted board.
Yeah.
We're teaching him how to use the boosted board. Okay, you got it figured out now?
Kind of. Here's what I don't have figured out. Where the brakes are.
Oh, you just pull it backwards.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like you don't hit my...
Ooh. Yeah.
That was close.
You just brake?
Yeah, you just pull it back.
Okay.
And then, whoa!
What the? Okay, what mode is this on?
There's no way you're going on the streets in beginner mode. Zero way. It goes because it goes like 8 miles an hour in beginner mode.
That's pretty fair. I mean, that's pretty fair. It's a bike. Let's just try beginner mode for now.
Okay.
So I don't die. I'm like nervous in this thing. I feel like my feet are like...
You alive still?
Yeah, I'm
still alive.
But I feel like my feet are like bricks. Like I don't feel...
Hurry up, Joe! Joe's still used to this, so he's not going very fast and cars are getting mad at him. I told him to take it off beginner mode. You can't go fast enough on beginner mode.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's 3, right?
Yeah, you're going full speed now.
So I was on 2 beeps.
Yeah.
It's regular mode.
Yeah.
Which I'm cool with.
Okay. Try this one.
All right. If I fall, it's on you now.
Okay, watch out. Watch out. Oh.
Your fault. Your fault.
Oh, you just tap it once. Yeah. So you're still on 4.5 out of 5. Okay. 80, like 90%. Today is New Year's Day, and I mean, compared to most days in New York, it's relatively empty. So I thought we'd teach Joe how to... Joe, how are you liking it so far?
My feet actually hurt a bit. I'm not gonna lie to you. Standing on the board, I feel like I'm digging my toes in, and like it's like burning. Because I'm nervous. Like I'm not comfortable.
Don't be. It's not like anyone's been hit by a car driving one of these or anything. It's perfectly safe. I'm gonna continue to say it until you guys start to believe me. New Yorkers are the nicest people on earth, and here is further proof. Last week I was at Urban Necessities, just sort of shopping and perusing about, and I had a perfectly fine and enjoyable experience there. The employees were actually really nice and hospitable. It was great, but I guess someone that works at the store messaged me and apologized. He sent me a whole email apologizing that I didn't get the full UN experience while I was at the store, which is above and beyond what he had to do, because I mean, I really enjoyed being at the store in the first place. So he invited me back out there tonight to sort of get, I guess, whatever Urban Necessities considers to be the Urban Necessities experience. Needless to say, I'm extremely excited. I was supposed to be there 11 minutes ago. I should probably get going.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Chilling, maintaining.
What's up, man? How are you? Hey, how you doing? What's up, man?
As you already know, most of this is consignment.
Okay.
So the way to look up, you found out how to look for sizes or not?
Sort of.
All right. So let's just look for a more common sneaker. This one is more common.
Okay.
So you just highlight it simply with an iPhone in the SKU. Click the link. It's gonna display our whole inventory for that one item.
Oh, sick.
But it's gonna display Vegas store and New York store. Open up Toronto. I best believe it's gonna show Toronto as well.
Ooh.
So
I haven't heard of that.
Yeah.
Urban Necessities Toronto.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
You all the time, man.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Oh yeah.
What's wrong with you?
I just have to grab something from up there. Relax. So as you can see, these are dead stock condition.
Yep.
And these are from the year, I believe 2001 if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
So let me just untangle this real quick for you. Yeah, 2001.
Yeah, I mean, I was 5 years old when those came out. That is something I've noticed at Urban Necessities 100%. They have a lot of sort of shoes that are harder to find that might not be like the hypebeast shoes, but are still really awesome
Let's go
older
with
pairs.
this one right here. PE.
I don't even know what that is.
PE.
Oh, wow.
So I believe this is a speed turf or a zoom turf.
Yeah, it's the Zoom turf.
As you can see, Oregon Ducks. So people will walk right past this, not know anything about it. But it's like once you pull it out, you're like, oh, whoa, it's PE. It's different.
No, I've never seen those before.
Nah, yeah, a lot of people like don't see because it's not hype. So
Yeah.
fragments.
Fragment Kobe's. Or no, these
Nah,
are
these are not Kobe's.
These are James Harden wore these when he was with Nike. I forget what these are called.
It says every tag has
Like the
all the
Hyper Rev
names.
or something?
You're right.
I was right. Wow.
Fear the Brow. Anthony Davis.
I remember these. This is like Anthony Davis had sort of, this isn't like really a signature sneaker, but it was sort of Anthony Davis's signature sneaker. Sick. Oh
We
my
misinforming
goodness.
you, but supposedly these are Kevin Durant's PE, but I don't believe, but it is a PE in here. I'm right, the size 17.
That's so cool. What's like if you had to pick one pair of shoes in here
One pair
that
of shoes.
you want to put on your feet?
Every
Anywhere.
day.
Every day. I'm so excited to see what he's gonna say. Yeah, go for two if you want.
So I'm gonna go with
Oh
these.
wow, what are those?
So these are just a Dunk Low Premium,
Okay.
and then it's made by Chris Lundy. But the best part is there's only 200 made.
Oh wow.
So reason why I like this shoe so much is just picture a wooden, just wood, a 2x4,
Yeah.
and then you just craved into it and just feel it.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Like feeling. It's pretty sick. It's,
That's really
the
cool. It's like
detailing
all
is
etched in there, yeah. That's really cool.
super clean. Things that is overshadowed, like they don't see it because of all these hype things around here.
Yeah.
So these are the Amy's, these are the Bodegas. These just came out last year. Sick, both of these. About the store and reason why I enjoy the store and why I represent it so much is for the simple fact it's an arcade. You can touch it, but you can only play with it if you purchase it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you could joke around it, you could look at it and all that, but like, take it out the store, it's like, all right, I'm playing the actual game now.
Yeah.
I actually get to feel the adventure of the sneaker.
100%. How long have you been working here for?
I've been working here since 8 months. 2001.
Beautiful.
2001. We don't got new ones. So this is the older pair. This is 2012. Reason I could tell the white outline is the 2019 pair. So the 2019 pair, if you look at them, they're white line. And I only know that because I look at the sneakers every day.
Oh, I think he's opening up the glass case for us. I think he's opening up the glass case for us. I think he's...
Are you opening up the glass case?
Yeah, I got you.
He's opening up the glass case.
Sneakers that I would like is Bisons.
Wow. You don't see those every day.
Those are sick.
These are really,
I fell
really
in love
sick.
with them once I see Kyrie Irving wear them. I'm like,
Yeah.
so sick. It's cool.
Those are.
I've never actually seen a pair in person, held a pair in person. Not bad. Wow.
Your aunt. Hey,
This is where it's at. I'm seeing all the Jordan 1s I need in my life. Right in here.
30. Of course, he's gonna pick anything that does with OVO.
That's what you're going with?
I gotta go right now.
I mean, I'm sensing a bit of a theme here. I'm seeing a little bit of a theme.
That's all you know.
No, right here. Keep doing it.
Okay, so why are you choosing those out of everything?
Oh, and everything in the case.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, everything in the case.
Okay,
What are you going with?
well, I gotta switch that then. I'm just showing you the
Hold it from the bottom, remember.
everything in the case.
Anything in the case. Oh. Okay, now we're talking.
I gotta hit you with the Travis 4s.
Yeah, those are amazing. I go with the brown ones over the purple ones.
The brown ones? I don't know, bro. The purple one. The midsole, so like right here. Between both of these, there's a purple pair. There's a purple pair with a white midsole as well.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
I don't know if I've seen those.
That one Chase B has a picture of. That was like the first picture I was taking with these. But the one with the black midsole that we have here is the most rare Travis one.
You don't see those every day. Gator Forest, Wahlburgers. Only person I've seen with those is DJ Big Boy Chang in the Philippines. This is the row that's catching my eye. Just Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s, and then these. This is like an eventual must-have grail for me. The dust pinks. Absolutely amazing.
These went up in a lot in value.
So much. I remember when they were like $500.
Yeah, they were like $350, $500 around there, and these went up crazy. Then we got Legends of the Summer right here. We got Justin Timberlake right here. Legends of the Summer. Got the shoes too.
That's insane.
Yeah.
If I had to pick one of the Legends of Summers, it'd be the all red suede ones. Those are my favorite.
We got another TV right here, exclusive, Michigan.
Oh my goodness. They just keep on coming. Are those the DJ Khaled ones there too?
Yes.
These are so obnoxiously loud. It's the most DJ Khaled looking shoe I've ever seen in my life.
No, these are crazy. I don't know if these are the ones that Jay did that deal off. He had a whole video about it.
Yeah,
I don't know if these are exact pair, but I know Jay went crazy over a pair of these.
Oh my goodness.
We got the Fresh Prince 5s right here. There's only actually, I believe there's only 23 of these.
Yeah, I've never actually seen a pair in person. I've seen pictures on like sneaker news and whatever.
It's a very like, this is the one pair that when people see it, they're like very nostalgic because you know everyone loves the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
So how much do those go for?
Let's check right now. So I don't know if you guys saw earlier in the video or not, but everything in the store, we have a QR code. So if you guys have iOS or even some Android phones, you're able to take out your camera and you're gonna hold it up to the phone like that, and you're gonna get a link. And when you click on that link, this link is specifically designed for that shoe. So it's gonna show you. So we have it priced at $9,600.
Wow. Well, if you guys have $10,000 laying around and you want to throw it my way, I will happily purchase those because those are amazing. That was incredible. That was absolutely wonderful. They were so hospitable, gave me an entire tour of the store. And just like, thank you. That was very, very, very nice. I appreciate you guys at Urban Necessities. Thank you. Joe, let's go faster, 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 faster. Joe's just learning. He really shouldn't be going faster. Let's take a left.